Let's pack my 7-month-old suitcase for our road trip. Her suitcase was still in the hallway from our last road trip 2 weeks ago. Here's what we've got so far. I was just gonna tell you how much of everything I got, but then I was like, why not show you guys what I picked out? So probably have way too much. But whatever. I'd rather have extra than like not have enough, and like if we have proplosions, you guys know the drill. So anyway, this is a little strawberry romper. We wore this once and we did have a proplosion in it, but Dreft saved the day, so we're taking this because it's so cute. I've got 3 onesies, so we got 1, 2, I had this one like in every size of hers, and 3. I'm not really sure what the weather is going to be looking like this weekend, but you know. I got this at Old Navy, which there's another print too that I got, but I think it's in the wash right now. It got covered in carrots yesterday, but this is like a little bubble romper. I've been loving these because so many of you guys are saying like, oh my god, she's always in pajamas, and it's like, because we never go anywhere and I want her to be comfortable. So I got these. They're super comfortable for her. She literally slept in one. She literally slept in this the other day, like overnight. But so we got a bubble romper, and then I got these 2 other ones that recently just came in the mail. It was like a lemon pack, and then there's some more there, but I'm not taking them. So I've got 3 bubble rompers, and then in case like we decide to get a little jazzy, I've got these cute little shorts, and I picked this little pink tank top to go with it. So it'll be super cute. Okay. I don't know if I said it already, but I've got 5 overnight diapers. How many nights are we staying? I think we're only staying 3 nights. I think so, but whatever. A couple extra. I do have her sleep sack. This is the one she's currently using, which is, you guys always ask a lot. So she uses the Halo sacks. We use the Halo swaddle sacks, like when she was like a newborn, and then we transitioned to these, you know, like when she could roll and everything. But anyway, so this is size medium. She just moved up in this, but I like to take 2 sacks all the time. So this one she was wearing up until a week ago. This is a size small, so technically she's like at the cusp because it says up to 18 pounds and she's about 18 pounds. So, but this is just a backup one in case we have a situation in that one. I do have another size medium in there, and I think I might actually buy a 3rd because she needs her sacks to sleep. Pajamas. Okay, I've got 4 pairs of pajamas. This is a new fruit pair. You guys know I love fruits. This is Kite Baby Peaches. This is Little Sleepy Strawberries. Wow, I've got all the fruits. This one's not fruit. This one's just floral. We've got that. Did I mention that I have bibs? I've got bibs. Okay, so that's it so far. So now I need to get like a full pack of diapers, which I'll show you guys like my reserves of diapers. Okay, so this is her closet in her bedroom, and it may look a mess, okay, but hear me out. It's kind of organized. So we've got like all of her wipes in here, and then this is actually a pile of folded blankets because when you have a baby, everybody gets you blankets, which like I love it, but also like I have a ton of blankets now. So I've got a bunch of like reserves of diapers, so I'm gonna take a whole pack of these. And a thing of wipes too. Gotta take her sound machine. Got the owlet. Can't forget her little crinkle book. She really likes to read this one. Someone's watching Miss Rachel. She's so happy.